Now we'll talk about conditional formatting. You know what is conditional formatting, guys? Now let me take this data, paste it here, and paste it here as well. The first one, it's saying highlight the value if it is less than 50 as a score. Student name, score in Excel, SQL, SAS, Python, Power BI, machine learning is given. If you select this entire range, this is where the score of the student are given. Now it's saying that highlight anybody's score less than equal to 50. What we'll do now? You can select this here, range, go to home, come to style, conditional formatting, highlight the cell value if it is less than 50. If you say less than 50 here, it is going to highlight whoever the score is less than 50. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want to
Yes.
highlight the score which is greater than 50, what will you do now? Select this range, go here, home, styles, conditional formatting. If it is greater than 50, does it make sense, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the question is coming: how to highlight both score less or equal to 50 and greater than 50 in one cell? So in this case, select this range, go to conditional formatting, click on the new rules. In the new rule, go for second rule, format only cell that contain values. If the cell value is less than or equal to 50, how do you want to highlight? Format, fill the background as red color, the font is bold and say white color. Does it make sense to all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Since you have already applied one rule, go to manage rules, add a new rule to this saying that if it is greater than 50, how do you want to highlight? Fill the background color green color, font as bold and say white color. Does it make sense to all, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's do this example here. Given the student and score, you got to highlight anybody has score greater or equal to 70 should be given as green color background, font as white. Anybody score between 50 to 70, less than 70, yellow color background, font as bold and black. If it's less than 50, red color background, font as white and bold. How do you go for doing this? Select this range here, go to conditional formatting, go for a new rule,
New rules.
right?
Second.
If you go for selecting format only cells, if it is greater than equal to 70,
70.
what you want to format here? Fill the background as called green color,
Green.
font as
White.
bold and white color.
White.
Does it make sense, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then select this range. Already you have a one rule. You can
Manage
say
rule.
manage rule. Add another rule. This
Second.
time between what? 50 and
50 to
70.
70.
not 70, 69.99.
Yes.
The background color would be what? Yellow.
Yellow.
Font would be what?
Black. Bold
Bold
and
and
black.
black. Does it work?
Yes, sir.
Add one more rule. This time the rule is what? If it is
Less
less
than
than
50. Less than 50.
49.
what is the
49.
format?
Less than 49.
Red. Font white. Bold. White. Bold.
It's taken less than 50, which is 49.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear now, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, what is called color scaling? If you select this range, data range, what the range is coming between minimum is 10, maximum is 100? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can you see below here, guys? Can you see the below here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the minimum value? 10. Maximum value is what? 100.
100.
When you select this range, if you go to conditional formatting, you have an option called color scaling. You select this. We don't have any idea how this blue color background, how this red color background, how this white color background is coming. What you can do, you can select this range, Go to conditional formatting, manage rules. Select this and say edit rules. Your minimum value is what? Number. Midpoint value is what? Number. And max point value is what? Number. Your value minimum is what? 10. Mid value would be what? 50. And the max value is going to be what? 100. Minimum value is red. Midpoint value is yellow. And the max point value is darker green. You can say OK, apply, and say OK. Does it make sense to all, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is this clear? How the color scaling happens, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we do a test now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the test is given, I think, next page. Okay. I'll do a test for you here. Let's say, okay, the test is already there. We'll be doing it. Before that, let's say go for icon set. What is icon set? If I select this here, what the minimum value?
10.
10.
10.
Maximum is what?
100.
100.
100.
Selecting this, I go to conditional formatting. I can see the icon set. I can click on it. Does it make sense to all? Are you getting this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I don't know how this red color, black color, gray color, pink color is coming. I don't have any idea. What will I do now? I select this range. I can go to conditional formatting, manage rules. Select this icon set, edit rules. I'll choose this icon set here. I'll be choosing to, let's say, this color only, but my color combination will be changing now. I can go for green color if the score is number, number, and number. If it is greater than 70, 75, if it is greater than 50, if it is greater than 40 or 30. So I want to go for red color. I want to go for yellow color. I want to go for red color flag. I want to go for making this as cross. If it is less than 30. Is that clear? Is
Yes,
it clear to all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I will say show the icon only. When I apply this, does it happen?
Yes,
Does it
sir.
happen? Can you tell me which
Yes.
particular subject students are doing worst? Which particular subject students are doing really worst?
SAS.
SAS,
SAS.
SAS.
Which subject students are really doing good?
Power BI,
Power BI.
ML,
ML.
Power BI and ML.
ML, there are
Power.
3 fails. In Power BI, there are 2 fails
Power
only.
BI.
2.
Two fails.
Power BI.
Power BI.
Right? Are you getting this, guys? Okay.
And Python.
Yes, sir. So Python is also there.
Python
No?
also.
Yes, yes. But how did you know this? Looking at the icon, do we see the number? No, right?
No.
This is called
No, sir.
icon sets, conditional formatting. Shall we go for a test now, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pakka.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You got to highlight if the cell value is less than equal to 50,000 and greater than 50,000 over here. How would you go for doing this, my dear students? Please guide me. I will follow you. If I select this range, what's the
Conditional
next thing?
Conditional
Conditional
format.
formatting.
New rules.
New rules.
Second. Format only cells
Format
that
but
contain
content
cell value
content.
uh,
15.
between
Less
less than
than
equal to
equal to
50,000.
50,000.
Format. Fill red color.
Red. Bold.
Bold.
White.
White.
Okay.
Apply. Yes,
How to
sir.
highlight the rest?
Manage
Manage
rules
rules.
Manage rules.
and new rules.
New rule.
New rule.
Second.
Second.
Greater than 50.
Greater than 50,000.
What you'll do now?
Format.
But
Fill green. Bold.
white.
White. Apply. Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to go for doing this here?
Select the range.
Select.
The cells. How to do this?
We'll select the table.
Select the
Conditional
conditional
formatting.
formatting. New rule.
New rules. Format only cells that contain greater than equal to 70,000.
70,000.
Format fill with green,
Green,
bold,
white.
Then
What is
again
next?
conditional formatting.
Conditional
Manage
formatting.
rules. New rule
Rule
greater than equal to
Mhm.
greater than equal to 50,000.
between 50,000 to 69,999. Fill with yellow, bold,
black.
Is that clear?
yes.
What
New
will do
rule,
here?
format only cells
Less than
less than
5,000.
50,000.
50,000.
Format
Fill with red,
bold,
bold,
White.
Does it make sense?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is that clear to you all guys, everyone?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.